My soul is consumed with longing for thy judgments at all times, and thy law is my delight. Moreover, I see in mine enemies the mischiefs that they do, for they have no regard for thy law. Thou hast very often known mine iniquities, and my sin is not hid from thee. Consider how I love thy precepts. Give me life according to thy word. Thy word is true from the beginning, and every one of thy righteous judgments endureth for eve. Rulers have persecuted me without a cause, but my heart standeth in awe of thy word. I rejoice at thy word, as one that findeth great spoil. I hate and abhor lying, but thy law do I love. 7 times a day do I praise thee because of thy righteous judgments. Great peace have they which love thy law, and nothing shall offend them. Though the proud have built up a wall against me, my heart shall not fear. Though they have set a watch over me, I will meditate in thy precepts. My soul shall be satisfied as with fat and rich food, and my mouth shall praise thee with joyful lips. My hands also will I lift up unto thy commandments, which I have loved, and I will meditate in thy statutes. Let my cry come near before thee, O Lord. Give me understanding according to thy word. Let my supplication come before thee. Deliver me according to thy word. My lips shall utter praise when thou hast taught me thy statutes. My tongue shall talk of thy word, for all thy commandments are righteousness. Let thine hand help me, for I have chosen thy precepts. I have longed for thy salvation, O Lord, and thy law is my delight. Let my soul live, and it shall praise thee, and let thy judgments help me. I have gone astray like a lost sheep. Seek thy servant, for I do not forget thy commandments. In my distress I cried unto the Lord, and he heard me. Deliver me, O Lord, from lying lips, and from a deceitful tongue. What shall be given unto thee, or what shall be done unto thee, thou false tongue? Sharp arrows of the mighty, with coals of juniper. Woe is me, that I sojourn in Meshech, that I dwell in the tents of Kedar. My soul is for the birds of the air, that they may dwell in the clefts of the rock. Deliver me, O Lord, from the hands of the wicked, from the hands of men of violence. I will lift up mine eyes unto the hills, from whence cometh my help. My help cometh from the Lord, which made heaven and earth. He will not suffer thy foot to be moved. He that keepeth thee will not slumber. Behold, he that keepeth Israel shall neither slumber nor sleep. The Lord is thy keeper. The Lord is thy shade upon thy right hand. The sun shall not smite thee by day, nor the moon by night. The Lord shall preserve thee from all evil. He shall preserve thy soul. The Lord shall preserve thy going out and thy coming in from this time forth, and even for evermore. I was glad when they said unto me, Let us go into the house of the Lord. Our feet shall stand within thy gates, O Jerusalem. Jerusalem is builded as a city that is compact together. That is where the tribes go up, the tribes of the Lord, unto the house of the God of Jacob. O Jerusalem, build thou walls round about thee, that men may not seek thy peace. Then shall the people seat themselves, all that love thee. Thou shalt be built also there for a little moment, and soon shalt thou be a very little city. For our hands are full of thy goodness, and thy right hand is full of blessings. For the sake of my brethren, and for the house of the Lord, I will now say, Peace be within you. I lift up my eyes unto thee, which dwellest in the heavens. Behold, as the eyes of servants look unto the hand of their masters, and as the eyes of a maidservant unto the hand of her mistress, so our eyes wait upon the Lord our God, until that he have mercy upon us. Have mercy upon us, O Lord, have mercy upon us, for we are exceedingly filled with contempt. Our soul is full of the scorn of those that are at ease, and of the contempt of the proud. If it had not been the Lord who was on our side, let Israel now say,